Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix verification code not received. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, or Snapchat, you name it, this step-by-step guide will ensure that those codes reach your device. Let's jump right in. First, let's dive into your phone's settings to make sure everything is set up correctly for receiving those verification texts. Follow along with me. Once you're in Settings, scroll down to the very end and click on the Apps option. When you click on, you will see List of Apps. Now scroll down until you find Messages app. Once you find it, tap on it. In here, you'll see the iMessage option. Go ahead and toggle it off. Wait for about 10 seconds and then toggle it back on. You'll notice a message below that says Waiting for activation. Don't worry, this is normal. Once it's reactivated, it helps to reset any glitches related to receiving text messages. Next, scroll down a bit until you see Send as SMS. Make sure this is toggled on. In my case, there is no option like that, but if you see that option, simply toggle on that option. Most verification codes are sent via regular text messages, not through iMessage, so this is an important step. Another potential issue could be that your phone is filtering these messages as spam. Scroll down again and check the Filter Unknown Senders setting. If this is turned on, it might block messages from the shortcodes that send verification texts. Toggle this off so all messages come straight to your inbox. Now let's make sure you haven't accidentally blocked the sender of your verification codes. Tap on Blocked Contacts. Here, you'll see a list of numbers you've blocked. Verification codes are often sent from short numbers, like 4 or 5-digit codes. If you see any of those numbers here, tap Edit in the top right corner, and then to unblock them. Simply click on the red subtraction icon and then click on the Unblock button that is in the red color. When you click on it, it will unblock them. Another setting to check is your Do Not Disturb mode. If this is enabled, it will silence all notifications, including verification texts. Swipe down from the top right of your screen to access the Control Center. And there you will see Focus option. Simply long press on it, and some option will appear. From these, you will see Do Not Disturb option. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off. If it's on, you won't hear or see incoming text notifications. If all else fails, restarting your phone can often resolve hidden glitches. Press and hold the volume up and power buttons together until the slider appears. Slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and then turn your phone back on. This simple step can often fix any underlying issues preventing those messages from coming through. By following these steps, you should be able to receive verification codes without any issues. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.